All parties Hurriyat Conference has said that an amicable resolution of the Kashmir dispute is vital for peace and prosperity in the South Asian region. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas in a statement in Srinagar said the core issue of Kashmir between the two countries needs to be resolved through dialogue process. Kashmiri historian Hafsa Kanjwal has blamed India for committing repression in the disputed territory of occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, in a media interview, Kanjwal said that India is trying to erase the history of the Kashmiri struggle for the right to self-determination. New Delhi has issued a fresh warning against using social media to criticize its policies and actions. According to Kashmir Media Service, a circular issued by the regime has prohibited the government employees from posting, tweeting, or sharing the content critical of the government policy or action. For over 2 weeks, thousands of people in the Ladakh have been protesting in the freezing temperatures, demanding their fundamental rights. According to Kashmir Media Service, Ladakh, situated between India, Pakistan and China, has grappled with territorial disputes and the adverse impacts of the climate change. Indian troops have arrested 2 youth in the Islamabad district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the troops conducted a cordon and search operation and apprehended the youths in the Lakhtipura area of the district. The troops have labelled the youth as militants. Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party has raised concern over the escalating human rights violations in the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, in a statement issued in Srinagar, DFP spokesperson Advocate Arshad Iqbal expressed grave concern over the increasing harassment of the Hurriyat leaders and their families in the occupied territory.